can help you make up to $50 per day, even if you are a complete beginner. No experience, no special skills, and no investment needed. Sounds unrealistic, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step method that you can start today. And the best part is, you don't need to create anything from scratch. You just need to use AI smartly. So let's get started. The tool we are using today is ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful AI tools, and millions of people are already using it to save time, create content, and even make money online. But here's the problem. Most people only use it for fun. They don't know how to turn it into income. That's exactly what we're going to fix today. So here's the idea. Instead of doing all the work yourself, you let AI do most of the job, and you get paid for it. Simple, right? Now step 1 is finding a service that people are already paying for. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for things like Instagram captions, product descriptions, blog writing, or YouTube scripts. You'll notice something interesting. People are charging $5, $10, even $20 for very simple tasks, and many of them have hundreds of orders, which means there is real demand. People are already spending money on this. That's your opportunity. Now step 2. Using ChatGPT to do the work. Open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt like, write 5 engaging Instagram captions for a fitness brand. Within seconds, you'll get high-quality content, clean, simple, and ready to use. You can also ask it to improve, rewrite, or change the tone. This saves you hours of work. Now step 3. Create your own gig. Go back to Fiverr, click on Create a Gig, and use a simple title like, I will write high-quality captions using AI. Add a short description, use keywords, and create a clean thumbnail. You can use Canva for that. Keep everything simple and beginner-friendly. Now step 4. Getting your first orders. At the beginning, you might not get results instantly, and that's completely normal. Most beginners quit here. But this is where you need patience. Start with a low price, like $5, to attract your first clients. Once you get reviews, you can increase your price later. Now let's talk about the money. If you get just 5 orders per day at $5 each, that's already $25. And if you add extras, like fast delivery or more content, you can easily reach $50 per day. And remember, AI is doing most of the work. Here's a bonus tip. Don't rely on just one service. Offer multiple things like product descriptions, email writing, YouTube scripts, or social media content. The more services you offer, the more chances you have to get orders. But let's be honest, this is not a get-rich-quick method. You won't make $50 overnight. But if you stay consistent, improve your gigs, and keep learning, this can turn into a real income stream. Thousands of people are already doing this. The only difference is they started. So why not you? If you want more videos like this, subscribe to Digital Profit Hub and start building your digital income today.